or you can just rewatch the video. Today we're going to be talking about double-digit subtraction again, but this time we're going to be using a number line again, but we're going to be counting up. So before we went back, this time we're going to count up. So let's just try that. Let's just go ahead and do it. So it says use the number line, count up to find the difference for number 1. So we have 36 minus 27. So this time what we're going to do is we're going to put our dot on 27. That's different already, right? Put your dot on 27, and from 27 we're going to 36. Okay? So you can do it in singles. We'll do singles for the first one. So we're at 27, we want to count up to 36. So let's count up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's it. Our answer is 9. How do we do? Good? Hopefully? So this time we're counting up. Sometimes it's easier when we're subtracting two numbers to count up because the difference between the two of them isn't that great. So it's actually easier to count up than count back. So that's what we're practicing today. We have, next one is 56 minus 49. So we're going to start with the 49. Again, the smaller number. So I'll put my dot on 49. And then we're going to go to 56. Okay? So that's 1, right? And then I can make a big jump just to 56 because I know that that's 6, right? So I went up 1 plus 6 more. So total, that would be, I'll write it for you to see, 7. So our answer is 7. Again, if you want to do just singles, you could do singles, or if you want to make some bigger jumps, you can do that too. Number 3 is 64 minus 58. I'm going to put my dot on 58. And then we're going to go up until we hit 64. So 1, 2, and now that I'm at 60, I can make a big jump to 64 because I know that that's going to be 4, right? So here I have 2 1 jumps. So 1, 2 plus 4 more would be 6. So my answer is 6. Making sense? I hope so. Let's go to the next page, number 4. We'll do one more together. 33 minus 28. So we're going to put our dot on the smaller number. So I'm going to put my dot on 28. And we're going to count up to 33. So 1, 2. And then from 30, I'm just going to make a 3 jump to 33. So 1, 2 plus 3 more. So 2 plus 3. 5. Again, if you want to just do single jumps, so a 1 jump every time, do that, okay? Do whatever makes sense to you. Now, number 5 and 6 on your own, and then pause this video, and then we'll check our answers together, okay? So pause, try these, and then I'll see you in just a few minutes. All right, hopefully you paused the video and you did your problems. Here are my answers for 5 and 6. Check your work, make sure you have the right answers. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. Then I want you to do the rest of the problems on the front and back of this paper on your own. Ask your mom and dad to check your work, or grown up, whoever's at home with you, an older sibling. And if you have questions, rewatch the video, look at that purple box. All right? But I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you very soon. See you later.